Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission share, I want to collect assessment. My name is Mahmudi Hidayati Solihah, kelas Randu Blatung Study Program PAI. Number 1. Importance of approach in studying religion. A specific approach is important because it influences how we understand and interpret religion. Different approaches can result in different understanding of religious phenomena. For example, a historical approach will focus on historical context, while a technological approach will emphasize doctrine and belief. Number 2. Condition and environment of the first revelation. Prophet Muhammad received the first revelation in the Cave of Hira, a secluded place in Jabal Nur. He caused the cave for meditation to seek tranquility and reflection from the life in Mecca, which was filled with practice considered immoral. His reaction to the first revelation was fear and confusion, as the experience was extraordinary and beyond his understanding. Number 3. Meaning and importance of revelation. Revelation in Islam is divine communication from Allah to prophets and message. Revelation differs from another forms of divine communication because it is the direct word of Allah conveyed through the angel Jibril. Revelation is the pharmacy source of Islamic teaching. Number 4. Main message of the first revelation. The main message of the first revelation, Surah Al-Alaq, verse until 5, is the command to read and learn. This message challenged the belief of the people of Mecca at that time, as they focused more on oral tradition and did not value knowledge as much. Number 5. First people to accept Islam. The first people to accept Islam after Prophet Muhammad were Khadijah, the Prophet's wife, Abu Bakar, the Prophet's companion, Ali bin Abi Thalib, the Prophet's cousin, and Zaid bin Haris, the Prophet's adopted son. Their acceptance shows trust and belief in Prophet Muhammad and Islamic teachings from the beginning. Number 6. The role of Angel Jibril in the revelation process. The role of Angel Jibril. Angel Jibril is the pharmacy intermediary in delivering revelation from Allah to Prophet Muhammad. He directly conveyed the verses of the Quran. Jibril involvement confers the prophethood, as his presence as the bearer of revelation affirms that the message received by Prophet Muhammad comes from a divine source, not from personal thoughts or desert. Jibril delivered revelation in various ways, including through the sound of a bell appearing in human form and instilling revelation into the prophet's heart. Number 7. Concept of revelation in Islam, another Abrahamic religion. Concept of revelation in Islam. Revelation in Islam is the word of Allah conveyed to Prophet Muhammad through Angel Jibril, which was then recorded in the Quran. This revelation is considered perfect and final creation from humanity. Difference with another Abrahamic religions in Judaism and Christianity, revelation was also received by prophet, but there are differences in form and authority. In Islam, the Quran is considered the purest and most complete revelation, while scriptures of another religion are believed to have been altered. Uniqueness of the Islamic perspective. The Islamic perspective is unique because it emphasizes the that the Quran is the final revelation and there will be no more scriptures after it, making it an alternate. Number 8. Development of Islamic society Ummah in early Islam. Gradual development. Islamic society in early Islam development gradually, starting with the followers of Prophet Muhammad in Mecca and then continuing in Medina after the migration. Prophet Muhammad used various strategies to invite people to Islam, including street preaching entirely. Preaching was done secretly to family and close friends. Open preaching. After reaching the command, the Prophet began preaching openly to the public, showing noble character. The Prophet demonstrated good character which attracted many people to Islam, conveying teachings with wisdom. The Prophet used language that was easy to understand and adapted to the societal context. Number 9. Meaning of the command, burn your rivalities. Historical and religious meaning. This command was received by the Prophet 3 years after the first revelation, marking the transition from secret preaching to open preaching. This command emphasizes the importance of starting preaching from the closed environment. Change in approach. This command changed the Prophet's approach in spreading Islam. Previously, preaching was done secretly, but after this command, the Prophet began preaching openly to the entire Meccan society, including his family and relatives. And number 10, impact of the advent of Islam on European society. Social change. The advent of Islam brought significant social change such as abolition of slavery. Islam taught human equality and encouraged the freeing of slaves. Improvement of women's status. Islam grants rights to women that they previously did not have, such as inheritance and the right to choose a spouse. Eradication of discrimination. Islam eliminates discrimination based on tribal and social status, teaching brothers and equality among humans. Religions change. The advent of Islam replaced idol worship with the worship of the one God. Islam also introduced new teachings about worship, morality, and law that become the foundation of Islamic civilization. Thanks for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.